ray diagram. Ray diagram for convex lens. Number first, there are 6 ray diagrams. Number first, when the object is at infinity. So when the object is at infinity, these are the incident rays. After refraction, it will pass through focus. So the image is at focus. And what is the formation of an image? It is real, inverted and very small. Real, inverted and very small. Number second, when the object is in between infinity and center of curvature. This is a lens, this is first focus, this is center of curvature. So the object is kept somewhere over here. When the ray is parallel, it will pass through focus f2. Second, it will pass through optical center. It will meet somewhere over here between focus and center of curvature. So where is the image? Image is in between focus and center of curvature. How is the image? It is real, inverted and small. From very small, it is now small. Number third, when the object is at center of curvature. When the object is at center of curvature, C1. So when the object is at center of curvature, it means it is lying entirely on a center of curvature. This is first focus. If the ray is parallel to the principal axis, first of all it will pass through f2. Second, if it is passing from the optical center, it will meet at center of curvature C2. So the image is at center of curvature. And how is the image? It is real, inverted and equal. From very small to small, and now it is equal. Fourth, further on increasing the object, when the object is in between center of curvature and focus. So if it is lying between center of curvature and focus, it means it is lying over here. This is the center of curvature, this is focus, and the object is lying between center of curvature and focus. So first of all, it will pass through focus after refraction, and second, the ray is starting from the optical center and it will meet somewhere in an outward direction. This is C2. So it means that the image is in between center of curvature and infinity. After center of curvature, it is always infinity in the right hand side, and before center of curvature at C1, it is infinity. Number fifth, now it is real, inverted and large. Not very large, but it is only large. Number fifth, when the object is at focus f1. So the focus f1 will be on a left hand side. It is focus f1. This will be parallel. After refraction, it will pass through focus, and this second ray, which is passing through the optical center, will pass straight. So they will not be meeting. Both the rays will become parallel to each other. So the image will be at infinity. How is the image? Real, inverted and large. And how large? Very large. It will be very large. Is this clear? The sixth image, which is also a very important one, when the object is in between focus and pole, it means very near to the lens, very near to the convex lens. This is a lens, this is the object which is being kept. First of all, it will pass through focus, this is f2. Second, it will pass through optical center, but it will not be meeting, it will go on separating. Then it is produced back. After producing back, it will meet at some point behind the object. This is the image which is being formed. So, where the image is being formed? Image is formed behind the object. Image is formed behind the object. And how is the image? It is virtual instead of real. Now it is virtual because it is on the same side. It is on the left hand side. Virtual image is always erect image, and this is large image. This is also a formation of a simple microscope. This image formation is also there in a simple microscope. Have you ever seen a simple microscope? It is used in the laboratory. Simple microscope is used to see the object clearly and large. A small object can be seen, minute object can be seen large by placing it very near. We have to take a simple microscope. It is a hand microscope. We can take it near to the object. Now when it will come between focus and pole, it will come between focus and pole. When the object will come between focus and pole, so its virtual image is seen behind the object and large image is being seen. So these are the 6 ray diagrams which represent how the image goes on changing. As we are increasing the distance of the object, the image will also go on changing. The place of the object is changed, so the image will also be changed.